Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel I Want to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your myFSU portal. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser, then on the search bar type in myFSU portal. Once you press enter, you will see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to enter your FSU ID and your password. Go ahead and enter your FSU ID. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on this link to recover your account. And if you're getting any trouble while logging in, you can click on this link to get help. And once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your FSU account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos.